This video is another DIY project on how to replace a broken garage door spring. Installation instructions are included on the box. If you are unsure about the instructions, don't have the right tools, or lack technical knowledge about mechanical work, it is recommended to contact a qualified garage door technician. Let's begin with the unboxing of the garage door torsion spring set. Garage door torsion springs are essential components that provide the necessary tension to smoothly lift and lower the garage door. Located above the door, these tightly coiled springs store mechanical energy when the door is closed and release it when the door is opened. It's important to note that torsion springs are under high tension and can be dangerous if handled improperly. If you need to replace or repair them, it is recommended to contact a qualified garage door technician. Inside the box, you will find: before starting, make sure to unplug the garage door opener. Pull the red emergency release cord to disengage the trolley from the opener carriage. The necessary tools for the job include a vice grip, wrenches, a flat file, and winding bars. Protective gear, such as gloves and goggles, is also recommended. If your garage door has dual springs, always start with the undamaged spring first. Before winding any tension on the springs, make sure the door is securely locked down. Use a vice grip on the vertical track above a roller to hold it in place. Insert a winding bar into one of the holes in the winding comb and apply upward pressure. Carefully loosen the two screws in the winding comb. Once loosened, slowly lower the winding bar until it rests against the door. Insert another winding bar into the upper hole, push up, and remove the lower bar. Carefully lower the upper winding bar until it rests against the door. Repeat this process until all the tension is relieved. Now, unscrew the damaged spring. Next, unscrew the stationary cone that holds the spring together. Remove the screws from the cable drum and take off the cable. Repeat the same process for the cable drum on the other side. Remove the cable drum and slide the old torsion spring off the torsion bar. Slide the new torsion spring onto the bar and reattach the drum. Now, slide off the broken spring and cable drum from the torsion bar. Slide the new torsion spring onto the bar and reattach the drum. Align both springs. Use a wrench to bolt the stationary cone of each torsion spring to the center plate. Reattach the cable to the cable drum, ensuring the cable stop is securely inserted into the drum's notch. Pull the drum down until the cable is tight, then tighten the set screws. Attach a vice grip to the shaft, pressing firmly to hold it in place. Let's begin winding the spring, starting with the right wind spring. Insert a winding bar into one of the holes in the spring's winding cone and push up. Insert the second winding bar and rest it against the door. Alternate between the winding bars, turning the cone upward toward the ceiling. 1/4 turn at a time, until the required number of turns is achieved based on your door height. For a 7-foot door, we completed 31 quarter turns. Tighten the screws in the winding cone. And carefully remove the winding bars. Now, let's begin winding the spring on the left wind spring. Follow the same process to wind the second spring. For a 7-foot door, we completed 31 quarter turns. Tighten the screws in the winding cone. And carefully remove the winding bars. Finally, remove the vice grip from the torsion bar and vertical tracks. Plug in the garage door opener and test the door.